Morning guys. It rained all last night. Nice sound of birds to wake up there. Yeah, it rained all last night, and as you can see, cloudy. So we're gonna hike down to Lara through the mountains. It's about an 8k hike, so we have to get all our gear packed up. We have some sausages. Okay, still hiking up this very large hill. You can see in the back there. Yeah, it's quite large, so about another half hour to go. And then we're going to take a break and get some water. Okay guys, hi. So we hiked out of Lochdan, we got the car, and then we drove out to Lara, and we're down here at this spot here, just getting the rest of our gear together, and we're going up that way. So that's for about an hour hike uphill, and apparently there's some fabulous views up here, and then we're going to camp out at a hut. There's a hut up there. Max, who I'm with, say hi Max.
Oh
Max,
yeah.
Max, who I'm with there, he's hiked here before, so he's promised me it's a good view. Hello. So look, we'll be back to you soon. I might be more sweaty and tired, but see you soon. Bye bye. Guys, we're a good bit up, but we still to go up that hill now. There's Max there, and we're bollocks.
Holy God.
Okay guys, welcome back. Myself and Max were in the hut here. This is a hut they make for people that they can stay the night. There's a lot of rules there about just keeping the place clean. It gives some information. There's some water, and there's a little book in there you can sign to say that you were here. So all in all, it's a good place. This is where we're going to hike down for the night. See it out there? Set up our tents there somewhere. So she's a nice enough place, this. So we made it. Back soon, I'm going to set up the tent. Bye bye. There I am in there. Stealth camping. Yeah, and just give us a look at the surroundings. I'll show you this box here. This is a hut. Stop off point, shelter. You know, if you didn't have a tent, you could sleep in there easy enough. You know, if you have a decent mat and a decent sleeping bag, wear your clothes, you'd be okay in that hut. You'd be sheltered. You know, but it's handy here having this table. So you can see there, getting some stuff out. Sorting this stuff. Some noodles. I might have some of them now actually. Okay, back in a while.
The Brusher Gap, this is called, Mark.
The Brusher Gap?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, we're on it.
Yeah.
Oh wait, hang on, rest stop. This says we're on the old military road. Oh man, it's a head full.
So last night we had a storm, thunder and lightning. I suppose the noise kept me up. Some rumble. Yeah, so it's 7 a.m. now. We'll go up and get a cup of tea, a bit of breakfast, and then we're hiking back down a hill today, which is great. So I'll see you in a while. Bye. So it's day 3. Home day. About an hour and a half, 2 hours hike maybe. Back to the car and then back to Dublin. And it was an enjoyable 3 days. Last night it was thunder and lightning and rained all night, but again it's dead bone dry. We pitched up under the trees. I'm not sure what the thing is about lightning, but there was parts of me thinking, if this lightning hits the tent poles, I'll just get fried up a mountain in Wicklow. But thankfully that didn't happen. So we'll be back later. Talk to you soon. Bye bye. Right there, that's the Sugarloaf. A famous landmark. Now Wicklow now, soon in Dublin.
In 50 meters, at the roundabout, take the first exit toward Dublin. Take the N11 ramp, then merge onto N11.